Here's how to create a digital portfolio in Canva quickly. Open Canva and click the search bar. Type Digital Portfolio and browse through the available templates. Canva has templates for different styles and industries. Scroll through and pick one that matches your field, whether that is design, photography, writing, or anything else. The template you pick sets the overall visual tone, so choose one that reflects the impression you want to make. Click the template, then click Customize this template to open the editor. Replace all placeholder text with your own information, your name, a short bio, your skills, and contact details. Replace the placeholder images with your own work samples by clicking the image areas and uploading your files. You can change fonts, colors, and layout elements to better match your personal brand. Stick to 2 or 3 colors and 2 font styles maximum. Overcomplicating the design makes it harder to read. Once finished, click Share in the top right, then Download to save it as a PDF for sharing, or publish it as a Canva website link if you want to share it directly online without a file download. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.